Here I'm holding a box that can help you to create the best possible sales results in 2021. You're probably looking at this box and saying, what is actually in here? I'll show you a little later, and I'll definitely show you if you sign up for the webinar that we are actually now doing on the 26th of January. But before that, let me show you a little thing here. If you look at sales today, we have two opposites of selling. We have what is called the transactional selling. Transactional selling is, I have a product and I will sell it to you, and what is very often happening is we're competing on price, product, and also the discount. That is not very interesting, and it's a tough game. It's actually a rat game over here. On the other hand, we have what is called interactional selling. Interactional selling is much more about understanding the client, creating a real relationship, understanding the business of the client. And to do this, one of the secret can be to work with the SDGs, the UN 17, to work with these goals in cooperation with your clients. We see more and more that companies capable of putting these SDGs into the commercial work with the relationship to the clients, they create magnificent results, closer relationship, and more loyalty. If you want to know more about this, sign up for the webinar, get inspired, and let us help you to create an amazing 2021. See you.